give the ID here with the hash. So while adding the ID, no hash, just name. So while using it, you have to use the ID. So what I have given is, we click on go to home, it has to go to home section. So that is hash home. So now see, this is my home page. I drag to the somewhere to the bottom, and if you click on go to home, see it goes to home page, right? So if you click on the bottom, if you click on this go to home, it goes to home page, right? So that is very simple. Yeah, so this is how you can use the hyperlinks. And one more thing, I just zoom actually. So for you it may seems like in the same page, if you click on the home, it will be on the home page only, right? So for this you can just add some extra content here, so that one scroll bar should come, or I'll just zoom it. See, at least one scroll bar should come, right? So at least you should not able to see the home, so that only you can able to see the actual demo. See, one scroll bar has come, this is the home page. So until you get the scroll bar, just add some extra paragraphs and something. So drag to the bottom, see, you click on home, it goes to home. Okay, this is the demo. So this is how you can use the anchor tags. So simple, if you click on that, it has to go to the outside of your web page. You can load a pages in your own local, and some external links and links with target if you want to open a link in the next tab. And we have also seen image as a clickable link. Okay, how to convert an image as a clickable link? Simple, just open the anchor tag, inside of that just add the image, so that image will be as a clickable. And also we have seen the bookmark, so how to make the bookmark with anchor tags. Okay, so that is about HTML links. So that's it. So thanks for watching. We'll see the next HTML tags in the next video. Thank you. Chetty, this is Naveen. So today we are going to discuss about HTML tables. Okay, so what is table, what are the tags involved in table, and what is t head, t body, what is tr, and all this we'll discuss in this video. Okay, yeah. So let me go to the file, the HTML tables. So just open the file number 9. So HTML table.html, just open this. So let me start live server. So live hyphen server space hyphen port equal to 9000, click on enter. So live server has been started. So go to tables.html. Yes, this is empty. Now we'll add tables. So for tables, if you want to display any content as a table format, so the very first tag is table tag. Okay, table tag. So the entire table, how it is displayed is by using table tag. So for this table, this is the table header and this is the table body. So for table header, there is one tag called t head. Okay, and for the remaining part, that is called as t body. So table body, there is a tag called t body. Okay, yeah. So each and every element here in the table head section, that we represent with th, and whatever the data which is there in the table body, that is td, table data. Okay, yeah. So now we'll see the actual table now. So here simple table. And one more thing, if you just add a table tag, so by default the borders will not be coming. So if you want to apply the borders, you must have to use the CSS styles. Okay, yeah. So let me add a simple table. Yeah, this is our file. Yeah, simple table. So add a table, open close, this is a table tag. So in the table we have table header and table body. So that is t head. So t head, and after this we have t body. Okay, yeah. So in the table header I want to write something. So each row represents with tr. Okay, so tr, open close, each row. So in the each row, each and every element we represent with th. So th, something called serial number, and one more th, that is called as name. Okay, so one more th, that is something called address. Okay, so let me check how does displayed. Yes, it seems like this. Yeah. So next for the t body, the actual body of the content, actual content of the table, these are all table headers. Okay, so for actual table content, yeah. So again table row, so there is no table column, only table rows. So each body, each table data, so we represent with td. Okay, so td for what? So serial number, so it is 1. Okay, so next one more table data, that is name, something called John. One more table data, So here it is US, so John from US, so you got the table data, right? So like this, if you want to add one more table row, that is table row. So let me make this properly aligned. Yeah, so for this table row, so each element is TD, so 2, and one more TD, this is something called Calvin. Okay, so add one more TD, this is he's from UK. So one more row, so let me add one last row. So just copy paste this TR here, just copy paste the TR and paste again here. Okay, so let me make this to 3, and this is myself, Naveen. I'm from India. Okay, yeah, so by default, see, no borders has been applied. So if you want to apply the border, you must have to use the CSS. So by default, no borders will be applied by using the table tag. So let me add little CSS for this to make that properly looks like a table. Yeah, so for this, if you want to add a CSS, so you must have to go to the top section. Yeah, we forgot the title, so just give the title HTML table. Okay, yes, HTML table. Yeah, so for this below title, let me add a style tag. So let me apply simple styles. Okay, so for the entire table, I want to add some border. So what I'll say, table open close, so border, so 2 pixels, block 2 pixels solids reds. Okay, yeah, so now one border has been applied only for the table, so let me add some border for the table header, simple table comma th. So table header also apply some border. We can even add some border for the table data, that is td. Okay, yeah, yeah, so we have applied border, but now it seems like a double border, right? So it's not seems like a proper table. So if you want to collapse this extra borders, there is one extra property we need to add, that is border collapse. So if you add this one, see, now it seems like a proper table. So this is how you can display a table in the HTML. Simple table with a table header. So each table header, it contains one row, so each element is table th, and then in the table body, the actual content, again row, again each and every row, so each element is td. Okay, it's very simple. And even t head and t body both are optional. So if you don't give t head and t body also, no issue, the table will be displayed. Okay, so t head and t body are optional, not mandatory. Okay, yeah, now we have displayed the table. So but it is somewhere in the corner, right? Sir, I don't want to display the table somewhere in the corner. I want to display the table which is full width of the browser, So simple, if you want to make the table to occupy the full width of the browser, so you have to give a property called width equal to 100%. So, okay, so just go to the table tag, for the start of the table. So here there is a property called width 100%. So if you add this, see, it is pushed to the complete full width of the browser. Okay, and one more thing, see, table header has come exactly in the center, and the table data has pushed to the left align. If you want to make everything in the center align, so let me add an extra property here, that is text align to the center. Okay, yeah, see, everything has aligned to the center. So if you want to make anything to the center, so just make text align to the center, so it aligns properly everything to the center. And now see, let me zoom it to 100%. see, for each and every content which is almost touching to the border, right? So let me give some extra space around it, that is called as padding. So some space around the text we call as padding. So let me add some extra padding here. So padding, make it 10 pixels. Yes, now it's seems like a proper table. Okay, yeah, so this is the proper table with all the padding and all. Yeah, so for this, let me add a heading on the top, because next we learn call span and table span, row span. Okay, so for this table, let me add a simple h2 just for the demo. So this is simple table. Okay, yeah, just see, simple table, this is one table. Okay, yeah, So next there is one more concept called span and row span. Okay, so what is called span? If you want to combine two columns, see normally a table contains like this and not all the tables contain same like this, right? So there may be a combination of two columns, okay. So if you want to add a combination of two or more columns, so for one column normally we'll write like this. If any content, if you want to combine for two columns, you have to use the call span, okay. So call span. So let me use that demo for call span for combination of two columns. Yeah, so there are extra, these things are there here, extra comments. So table border all the size we have done, border collapse we have done, padding we have done, text align we have done. Yeah, just remove all this four, keep only call span, okay. So now we'll see the call span. So how to apply the call span for a table? Simple. So let me add a h2 just for the demo purpose here. So table with call span, table with call span, okay. So yes, so here how to display table with call span, okay, combination of two columns. So let me copy paste the previous table here and then apply the call span. Simple, just go there, just go to top. So copy from the table start tag, see, copy from the width equal 100%. So from the start tag, from here to close of the table, just copy and paste it below the h2 and save it, okay. Yeah, see now both are seems like a same table, we just copy paste the same table, right? So it says same table. Now what my intention is, for name and address I want to combine as a single column, okay. Name and address I want to combine as a single column. So how to combine the columns two or more is by using call span. So let me apply some call span here. See name, where is the name here? So call span serial number name. See this name and address I wanted to combine, okay. So let me do something. So for th with the call span of 2, okay, and then just remove the th. See now we check. See name has been occupied for the two columns, okay. So it's not only name, it is name and address, so you can add here only, okay. So here ampersand address, see name and address. So it is a combination of the two columns, okay. This is how you use call span. See simple, one simple logic here. So if you want to make that properly aligned, see, so table header, see let me tell you for the first table. See for the table row, in the table main header, see th how many, 1 2 3. So the same count for all the next rows for the table data. See here the table data starts for next row. So how many ths are there? So the same number of table data should be there, okay. Then only the proper table will be coming. So each table data here. But now here only 2 th and 3 tds. Sir, how did this match? Simple. See th for one column and this is th with call span of 2 with a combination of two columns. So this count is 2, this count is 1. So 2 plus 1 3. So here 3 table data. So this is how, this is again 3, this is again 3. This is how you have to match, okay. So whenever call span is there, count that as a number. See call span 2. So it is a 2 th and 1 th. So 3 th. So here again 3 td. So it has to match. So 3 it has to match, okay, so that you will get the proper structure like a table. So this is we call as call span, combination of two columns. Same like this, there is something called row span, so combination of two or more rows, okay. So let's see that, yeah. So table with row span. So let me add a h2 here, so table with row span, okay, some h2 here. So here let me paste the first table and then apply the row span, okay. So just go to top, copy the first table, yeah, so simple table, copy this complete table here. So from the table start tag to the end tag, copy the first table and paste it here. So table with row span, paste it, save it, yeah. So here it seems like a proper, the very first simple table, yeah. So what my intention is, I don't want to combine the two columns, I want to combine two rows, okay, by using row span. There is one attribute called row span. So here I want to combine 1 and 2, this 1 and this 2 I want to combine, okay. But where is 1? See the row span. So here is 1 and here is 2. If you want to combine them, see See, for table data, let me add something called row span equal to 2. It is a span of 2 rows. So, combination of 2 rows. Okay. Yeah. So, if it is a combination of 2 rows, then this is not required. Okay. Yeah. So, let me show you. See, here in the next table row only 2 table data. Here table data with 2 row span. So, here see, this is the combination of these two rows. Okay. But here this is 1 and this is 3. Let me change that to 2. Okay. Change to 2. Save it. Yeah. See. So, table with row span. So, it is a combination of 2 rows and this is 1 row. Okay. Yeah. So, that's it. That is we call as row span. So, this is a simple table. This is call span and this is row span. And one last thing, yeah, custom table. So, how to apply some custom styles for the table, we will see now. Okay. So, for this, let me add a H2 custom table. Okay. So, some custom table. So, my own custom table here. Yeah. So, let me copy paste the first table and then apply some styles for the table. Okay. So, just go to top. Just go to top and copy the table here. So, from the simple table always. So, simple table from there to the end of table copy. So, go to the bottom here. So, after custom table just paste it. Okay, just save it. See, simple table, it is there. Okay. So, now here only for this table I want to apply some styles, my own styles I want to apply. Okay, it seems like a custom table. So, here if you want to apply, see, there are a lot of table tags over there, right. So, in CSS way, if you want to apply only for one particular element, so you must use an ID, and for that ID you have to add the styles. So, here let me add one ID. So, go to top. So, for the table let me give an ID equal to custom hyphen table. Okay. So, some IDs, ID should be unique. ID is unique for entire HTML document. So, I have given an ID for the custom table, and in on top of this ID I will add the styles. Okay. Yeah. So, just give ID for the table tag, for the start of the table tag. Yeah. So, once you give the ID, just copy the ID, So, only for this we will add the styles. So, if it is an ID, there is one notation in CSS. If it is an ID, so we will use hash, paste the custom table, open, close. Okay. So, if any ID, if you want to refer in the CSS, we use hash. Okay. For class it is dot. Okay. So, as of now it is hash custom table and open, close. So, here we need to apply styles. So, whatever the styles you apply, it applies only for the custom table, not all the tables. Okay. But we have, why? Because we have given the ID. So, here what styles I want to apply is not much styles, simple styles. So, for the table header, what I planning is, so for the table header, background color is red color and text color is white color. Okay, only 2 styles. So, only for the table header of custom table. So, what I will say, custom table space T head, only for the T head section of the custom table. So, what styles you want to apply? So, background color is red, text color is white. So, background color is red. Check. Yeah, background color red has been applied, and let me change the text color. It is black by default. So, let me change the text color to white color. So, that is called as color white. See, it is applied for the white color. This is very simple CSS table. So, now it seems like a proper table now. See, this is simple table, this is table with a call span, table with row span, and there is one custom table. So, these are the all varieties of tables. So, this is if you ask sir, this is only styles. No, you can add a lot of styles by using CSS, but in the HTML class we no need to apply the more styles because we have not learned all the CSS tags, right. So, in the CSS class also we will discuss about the table again, custom CSS table. So, let me show you the example of CSS what we are going to learn. So, in the last video session we have discussed about HTML links. Okay. So, today we are going to discuss about HTML entities. Okay. Yeah. So, the file number 11, here we are going to discuss about HTML entities. Sir, why we need HTML entities? simple. If you want to display some reserved characters, if you want to display some special symbols on the web page, you must have to use entities. Okay, so those symbols you can't write the HTML tags for it. Okay, so there is some alternate notation, so we're using HTML entities. Okay, so let's discuss about HTML entities in this class. Yeah, so just open file number 11, HTML entities. Let me start live server. So live hyphen server space hyphen port equal to 9000, click on enter. So my live server has been started. So please open the file number 11, it is html entities.html. Yes, yeah. So now we'll see. Yeah, just change the title, HTML entities, just save it. Yes, title got changed. Yeah. So HTML entities example. So let me take one paragraph tag. So this is a paragraph. Okay, yeah, see. Okay, make it h1. It sounds seems like a paragraph. Okay, just add a h1 tag. Yeah, see, this is the paragraph. So for this paragraph, what my intention is, I wanted to add some less than symbol for paragraph, and after paragraph I want to add greater than symbol. Okay, you know, these two are reserved characters. These two are the reserved characters in the HTML, so you can't specify them. So let me tell you. See, before paragraph I want to add a less than symbol, after paragraph I want to add a greater than symbol. Okay, let me do that from normally here. If I say less than here, see, it is treating like a HTML tag and also stating that there is no close tag. The start tag has not been closed. So the problem is you can't use these kind of special tags, I mean special symbols or characters in the HTML. Sir, how can I display those kind of special symbols? The solution is by using HTML entities. Okay, yeah. So here, if you say less than here, if you just say, see, from there nothing has been displayed. Okay, there is one error, right? So in order to resolve this, if you want to add some special symbols by using HTML entities, that is this. See, if you want to add a less than symbol, that is ampersand LT semicolon. So this is we call as HTML entity. Okay, so if you for less than symbol, this is one entity. If you add this, see, less than paragraph has come. So after this, if you want to add a greater than, there is one symbol HTML entity. So ampersand GT semicolon. See, GT for greater than symbol. See, greater than. So if you want to add such kind of special symbols like copyright symbol, registered trademark symbol, and rupee symbol, dollar symbol, so for all this you must have to use HTML entities. Okay, so let's see the examples now. Yeah, register trademark. Okay, so let me add a h1. So something called Infosys. Okay, yeah. So for this Infosys, on top I wanted to add registered trademark. Okay, so for registered trademark, the HTML entities are reg semicolon, just save it. Yeah, so this symbol. Okay, so these symbols you can't write with normally with HTML tags, so will you be using HTML entities? Yeah, so it's not seems like a proper, so it should be little higher, so that we use subtext, I mean SUP. So before this, add a SUP super text, and after this just closes. Yes, it is now, it comes little higher, and even we can remove the space here. Yeah, let me remove the space. Yeah, Infosys. Yes, see, for these kind of cases we'll be using HTML entities. Okay, so next come down. So for copyright, so how to add a copyright? Okay, by using HTML entities. So let me add a h1. So copyrights. So for copyright symbol, HTML entity is ampersand copy semicolon. Okay, see the copyright symbol, and then space 2018. So this is the copyright symbol. So if you want to write such kind of special characters or special symbols, you must have to use HTML entities. And the last one, let me show you the rupee symbol. So h1, this is just some rupee symbol, let's say 500. Okay, see, this is just 500. So before 500 I want to add a rupee symbol, so for that this is the entity. Yes, see, rupee symbol. So this is how we have to display the HTML entities Okay, yeah. So a lot of HTML entities will be there. So you can use one or other. So these are the simple example for HTML entities. Okay, yeah. So in the next class, we'll be seeing the what is iframe and how to display the iframe. Okay, yeah.